Good morning. Now we are going to see the remaining part of past continuous. Use the correct past form of the verb given in brackets to complete the sentences below. The children dash laugh bracketil when they saw the clown. So the children laughed when they saw the cloud. In olden times, people traveled on horseback or by bullock carts. Yesterday, I went to the market when it began to rain. So the remaining exercise, I have given the answer and study it. Now we are moving to past perfect tense, the third division of the past tense. Look at this sentence. Kiran had recovered from her illness when we went to see her. Kiran had recovered from her illness when we went to see her. The verb is had recovered. The tense is past perfect tense. The form of the past perfect tense is had plus past participle. Had, HAD, had plus past participle. In the first action, had recovered is expressed in the past perfect tense. The structure of a construction in the past perfect tense is had plus past participle of the main verb. The sentence above shows two actions in the past. Kiran recovered from our illness. We go to see her. We use past perfect tense for the first action, that is, Kiran recovers from an illness, and the simple past for the second action. I wasn't hungry, I had just eaten. They had not eaten for 5 hours, so they really enjoyed their meal. I did not know who he was. I had never seen him before. Mary wasn't at home when I arrived. She had gone for music. So these are certain examples for the use of past perfect tense. Had eaten, had eaten, had not eaten, had never seen, had gone. All these verbs are in past perfect tense. There are two actions. One is had eaten, second is enjoyed. So the first action is put in the past perfect, second is put in the simple past tense. To form the negative in the past perfect, we simply add not after the helping verb. The helping verb is had. So to make it negative, we have to use not, not, not. And we should put the not in between the helping verb and the main verb. Had not taken. Had helping verb, not negative word taken past participle. Had not finished, had not kept. It is wrong. Had taken not, had finished not, had kept not. The correct use is had not taken, had not finished, had not ate. So we should be very careful about the place of not in the sentence. It should be in between helping verb and main verb. The interrogative is formed by bringing the helping verb to the beginning of the sentence. The subject comes between the auxiliary verb and the past participle of the main verb. So to make it interrogative, you put the helping verb to the beginning, then subject, then the main verb. Look at the examples. Deepak had marked his answer. Question. Had Deepak marked his answer? Had is the helping verb. Then Deepak is subject, we put subject. Then the main verb marked. Had Deepak marked his answer? You had made carrot soup that day. Had you made carrot soup that day? Be careful. It is the difference between did and had. The present past tense we use did as a helping verb to make negative, but in past perfect there is already the helping verb, so use that helping verb. After did you have to use base form, but here had. After had, past participle, be careful. No base form, because had plus past participle. So don't worry about that, changing the participle form of the verb. The given verb, main verb can be used there after had. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verbs in brackets to complete the following passage. So the answer is given. I shall read. Prakash went to the cinema last night, because past tense, time is mentioned. When he was returning, past action going on, past continuous, a dog bit him. He consulted the doctor. The doctor recommended injections, and Prakash went to the clinic every day for 10 days. He hated those painful injections. The use of simple past tense. Now exercise 5. Use the correct past form of the verb given in brackets to complete the sentences below. He thanked me for what I did. We didn't see Mohit all morning and wondered where he was. The headmaster wanted to see you in his office this morning. So the answer is given, you have to do it yourself. So I summarize regarding past perfect tense. Past perfect, the verb form is had plus past participle. To make it negative, we have to use not. Auxiliary is already there, so we have to use that auxiliary plus not plus subject. Had not, main past participle. The question, bring the had the beginning, then subject, then past participle. So this is about past perfect tense. An action started in the past and completed fully in the past. No effect in the present time. Now move to past continuous. Look at these sentences. Karan had been working for 5 hours when the bell rang. They had been living in Bilaspur for 10 years before they moved to Mysore. Here, had been working is past continuous, perfect continuous. Had been living, past perfect continuous tense. In each of these sentences, we talk of an action that started in the past and continued up until another time in the past. We use the past perfect continuous to talk of such actions. Here, 2 actions took place in the past, and 2 actions are no more now. Among the two actions, the first action is putting past perfect continuous because that action is going on for some time. The second action is finished, so we put a simple past tense. Look at here. The verb italicized in the sentences above are in the past perfect continuous. The structure is had plus been plus verb plus ing from the verb. Had been walking, had been reaching. To bring the negative in the past perfect continuous, we simply add not after the helping verb. Had not been cleaning, had not been eating, had not been talking. So you have to find out, you have to look carefully the place of not. It is after helping verb had, not after been or ing. Had not been cleaning. It is wrong. We say that. We say had been not cleaning. Wrong. We should use had not been cleaning. The interrogative is found by bringing the helping verb had to the beginning of the sentence. The subject comes first, comes between the auxiliary verb and the ing form of the main verb. So to make it auxiliary, you have to put the subject, the helping verb, had, at the beginning. Then put the subject. Then the remaining part of the verbs, that is been working. Had the one been working on this answer all through yesterday? The one had been working on this answer all through yesterday. The question, had the one been working on this answer all through yesterday? They had been playing all evening. Had they been playing all evening? So, you have to put the auxiliary first, then had, then we put the subject, that is Dhawan, then the remaining parts of the present part working, been working, been playing. The past perfect continuous tense is used to show so that something started before a point of time in the past and continued up to that time. We use phrases that express duration with the past perfect continuous tense. For example, all through yesterday, for 10 years and for 5 hours. We use these kind of expressions with the past perfect continuous tense. What are they? All through yesterday, one expression. Second one, for 10 years. Third one, and for 5 years. Have you been working there for long? Had you been working there for long? Had you been? Mr. Ryan had been teaching at the college for 30 years before he retired. We had been waiting there for almost an hour before the train came. Use the correct forms in the following sentences. The exercise 6, the answer is given. You have to find out the answer and try to understand. So, this class is over. Before I closing the class, just say a couple of sentences about past perfect continuous tense. The verb for past perfect continuous tense is had plus been plus ing for the verb. For make it negative, we have to use had plus not plus been plus ing from the verb. For make it interrogative, bring had past, then subject, then the remaining verb been plus ing. So this is about past perfect continuous tense, and this chapter is over. Now let us next we are going to see about the past perfect future tense.